Hello, what is your name?
My name is Edelina Domingo Villas.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Christian.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 sons.
How old are they?
18, 15, and 12.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
8 months and 4 days.
Do you have any work experience in other
Yes,
countries?
I have. In Middle East.
Okay, so how many years?
6 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
8 months.
Where's your employer living in?
In North T1 Kowloon.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,600.
How many family member there?
Only 3.
How many children?
Only 1 newborn.
Okay, how old is now?
8 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6:30.
Okay, and then?
And then working with the baby, go to market,
Clean the house?
clean the house, and cooking.
Okay,
Take care of the baby.
so how about marketing? Do you go market?
Yes, I go
Okay,
market.
how about cooking dinner? What time?
I cook at 12 o'clock for the lunch, and then for the dinner is 7.
7, okay. So what time they eat for the dinner?
8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.